How to find your QR code on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your QR code on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now here you will find it QR code. Just click on it, and as you see here you will find your QR code and you can download it or share it here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.